Round three, everybody. Looks like we got a lot of rain all day today. It's in the afternoon. I'm a little worried about tonight, but right now we've just got flooded a lot. The water in front of my platform here has turned into a little river, but it's moving on by. It is raining pretty good, going and coming. I thought you would like to see it. No real bad weather yet. No big storms yet like they predicted, but I guess that could happen at any time.
It's my job. Your job is to stick your neck out.
Well, don't look like it's going to get real bad this go around. Looking at the radar, it don't look like it's going to be anything too soon come by. But there is a big one down in Louisiana coming this way. So the water has come up quite a bit. I parked my Kawasaki Mule right there where I could get in it, but we're okay. Water can't really get much deeper. A little bit, I guess, but it's gonna run off and won't have no problem. Y'all like my Flintstone mobile? See my roof on it? Everybody laughing. I'm not spending $500 for a piece of plastic to go on top of it. So I've come up with a secondary alternative for right now until I figure out something. It's just a big umbrella and it works perfect. So they can laugh all they want to, but I keep my 500 bucks. And then inside, it's just me and my buddy. This is my buddy right here. Old Bama Jack. He's the best dog I've ever owned. He stays with me no matter what. It can be lightning, shooting guns, whatever, it doesn't bother him. He'll stay right beside me. He's my buddy. Can you say hi? Can you say hi? You won't look at the camera, will you? He's camera shy. He won't look at the camera. You want to say hi? Everything's the same. Got me some incense candles burning on my table. I turned the TV off while I'm making this video because they'll probably copyright it and you won't be able to hear me, so I just turned it off. Sure do hope it don't get really, really bad in the dark tonight because I've got these great big pine trees surrounding me right here, and you know, I'm not scared of the storm, I'm scared of a tree falling on me. But we shall see. Hope you like my videos. Please hit like and share and subscribe. You know, it doesn't take but just a second. Just go right down there in the corner, right in there, and hit like and hit subscribe over here in this corner, and I'll do you some videos tonight in the dark if anything gets bad. But we'll start the kitchen next week. Y'all have a good day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.